Hi guys, welcome to the new project. Here we are going to participate in this whitelist, and there will be a new competition here. If you be the first one, the first place, you will get $2,500, the second place $1,000, and the third place $550, and the rest of the people will get $500, $250, and $150 if you are the 20th in this competition. How will be the competition here? Look, this is the out market, is a zero fee order book based prediction market that we will going to participate in this airdrop testnet trading competition. Okay, there's a testnet trading competition starting tomorrow with a prize pool exceeding 10,000 in USDT. This gives early users a real incentive to participate and shows that Outcome is likely positioning testnet participants for future rewards. Okay. For getting these rewards, there are some rules that I am going to talk. If you want to be in the first place, you should be early in this project. That's why you're better turn on the notification bell, and every time I put a video in this channel, come and see. Okay, be the first person, so that you can be in the first place. First, you will register in this platform, and you will involve trading with 10,000 mock USDT. Okay, they are fake USDT. The website gives you 10,000 USDC. They are not real USDC. You will use that USDC to participate in this airdrop, to participate in this trading airdrop. Okay, top traders can earn up to 2,500 in the rewards, and additionally incentives for top 20 performers. Okay, here you enter its website and you click the sign up button. You choose MetaMask, and here your MetaMask will come up. Okay, as you see, there's a message in MetaMask. If you are using mobile phone, you can install Mises browser. Okay, then you can install MetaMask extension on the Mises browser. Okay, so in the mobile phone, I suggest you to install Mises browser. So here it asks you to connect to this website, and you hit the connect button here. Okay, and you get connected to this website. After connecting, it says you to switch network, and you switch the network after MetaMask. After that, it asks you to approve this application. Okay. Now we are connected to the website. If you look at here, you can see your wallet address is registered. And look, in this part, you can see the network. The network of this website is Arbitrum Sepolia. Okay, so you will get testnet tokens on this network to trade with and get 2,500 for the first place. Now you will provide your Twitter link here in this part. I will show you how. So I went to my Twitter profile, and after that I copy and paste my profile link here. After that, you need to join their Discord and also join their Telegram, and then you can participate in this airdrop. So here it asks you to accept its invite. So by joining their Discord channel, it asks you to verify. So you will need to type this. Just like this, and then you click on submit button, so the website knows that you are a human being, not a robot. And here you can come and talk with the other guys in the general chat. You can send a GM here, and then you can come back to the website, and you will see that there is a green option there. It means that you have joined their Discord, and you can join their Telegram channel too. Yeah, and after that you can sign a message in your wallet that says that you are approved. So as you can see here, we are signing a message says I want to join the whitelist with the following details. So don't forget, guys, that if you want to participate in any airdrop, don't use your main wallet. Use another wallet for the airdrops. So now we have connected to the website. Also, there's a voting there you can see, and tomorrow there will be the trading competition. After this, signing up their website, okay, you will have the opportunity to participate in that airdrop. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can be an early adopter of every airdrop project. See you guys.